Today I'm going to be reviewing haodsso's outlet extender stick. This features 2 USB-A's, a USB-C, and 2 outlets. What a great concept. I'm going to show you what you get in here. You're going to be able to extend your outlet up, down, left or right, 6 inches to 35 inches, however you need it. Let's take a look at this. So here's the outlets that you get. These are the extender sticks. You actually get 3 of these. Here's the third one. So you basically just put them in wherever you need it. If you need to go left, you need to go right, up or down, however you need to adjust it, this is going to let you do that. And then finally, for the actual plug in the wall, this adjusts however you need to make it work. So this will plug in the right way so you can get this exactly where you need it. It's really a genius idea. This does really well on Amazon, gets 4.7 stars, 56 reviews, and last month 500 plus of these were bought on Amazon. Pretty amazing. I'm not seeing these are getting returned. I'm excited, and I'm going to be using probably more than one of these. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.